Did you know that your morning coffee could be secretly sabotaging your weight loss goals? Hidden calories lurk in everyday foods, sneaking into your diet and hindering your progress without you even realizing it. But fear not, because today we're shining a spotlight on these stealthy culprits and uncovering the truth about hidden calories that could be holding you back from reaching your dream physique. In the quest for weight loss, many of us diligently count calories, track our meals, and hit the gym with unwavering determination. But what if I told you that despite our best efforts, hidden calories could be lurking in the shadows, thwarting our progress and leaving us scratching our heads in frustration? It's a harsh reality. Hidden calories are the silent assassins of our diets, slipping into our meals and beverages unnoticed and wreaking havoc on our waistlines. From innocent-looking condiments to seemingly healthy snacks, these sneaky culprits can add up faster than you can say, "Extra cheese, please." Let's start with the usual suspects. Your morning cup of joe. Black coffee might seem innocent enough, but add a splash of cream and a sprinkle of sugar, and suddenly you've turned your calorie-free pick-me-up into a diet disaster. And don't even get me started on those fancy coffee shop concoctions. Those sugary syrup-laden drinks can pack in hundreds of extra calories without you even realizing it. But it's not just your caffeine fix that's to blame. Take a closer look at your favorite salad dressing, and you might be shocked to discover that a seemingly harmless drizzle could be adding hundreds of calories to your otherwise healthy meal. And let's not forget about those grab-and-go snacks that promise to be low-fat or healthy. More often than not, they're loaded with hidden sugars and empty calories that do more harm than good. Even seemingly innocent condiments like ketchup and barbecue sauce can be sneaky calorie bombs, adding unnecessary calories to your meals without adding much in terms of nutrition. And let's face it, who stops at just one serving of salsa or guacamole? Before you know it, you've polished off half a bag of chips and unknowingly consumed more calories than you bargained for. So, how can we protect ourselves from these stealthy saboteurs? The key is awareness. By familiarizing yourself with common sources of hidden calories and reading nutrition labels diligently, you can arm yourself with the knowledge needed to make informed choices about your diet. Opt for lower-calorie alternatives whenever possible, and be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overindulging. Swap out sugary beverages for water or unsweetened tea, and choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever you can. And remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. Just be sure to balance it out with plenty of nutrient-dense foods and regular physical activity. In the battle against hidden calories, knowledge is power. By staying vigilant and informed, you can outsmart these sneaky saboteurs and stay on track towards your weight loss goals. So the next time you reach for that innocent-looking snack or condiment, remember to think twice and uncover the hidden calories that could be hindering your progress. Your waistline will thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.